Welcome to Techilipar channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to adjust sound balance in your Samsung TV. So at first just go to your TV home screen and then go to left. From here scroll down and open up your TV settings and then go to all settings option. From here scroll down and open up your sound settings. After that scroll down, then go to expert settings and here you can find balance option. From here you can adjust the TV speaker volume levels to optimize your sound balance. Then just open the settings and that's it. Now here you can see two options, left side and right side. From here you can adjust your sound balance and here you can see a slider, and by removing this slider you can adjust your sound balance. If you go left, then you can minus your sound. Also if you go to right, then you can plus your sound on the right side speaker, and that's it. But I suggest you to set 0 level. You can also reset your sound balance from here. You have to just select reset and then press OK and then select reset again, then press OK button from your remote again, then press OK and you can see it's reset successfully. And that is how you can adjust sound balance in your Samsung TV. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.